Obirin. Hey, blood of Jesus. Baby, why you put your speaker for my body? You the man.
Stop, Josie. I program something in you. You will like it.
Who say make you program something in me? I have Jesus in me. I don't want anything in me. Who the hell? Baby, wait a minute. I don't know. Wait a minute. I need passion. Where we talk? Wait a minute.
Baby, stop, Joe. You know my mom is an Indian woman. And since I lost her, nobody has sang Indian song for me. And I really miss you.
Oh, now I go Indian DJ mix for my body. I go punch your mama. Let's go outside. Come on, I need passion. Come on, I need passion. I need passion. Come on, Indians. Do matale, matale, do matale. Your mama, do matale. See this fine girl.
Like a picture.
She go see her.
She go see her.
I'm shy. Hey, you look this. Oh, blood of Jesus. Now my babe, she don't put my ship everywhere for this house. If I like any other girl picture, the whole house gonna vibrate.
Babe, you like the girl's picture?
I will never do that. I will never do anything to hurt you, my love.
Are you telling me that my machine is lying?
Your machine a Christian. Who know the lie? Yenta. I sabi. You be mumu.
Babe, so you're cheating on me!
I don't. Dagote! The meeting! What, Dagote? I was like, wow! This cement! Wow! Too bad. Hello? Who be this one?
Hey, babe. Meet James, my tech bro.
What's up, bro? You the Chris. I be your mate.
I don't want peace.
Hello? I swear, it's me and Kiwi forever.
Babe!
Which one them? I'm not cheating, no. It's Kiwi bets. That's why I make my money. I joined a Telegram group and they give me short tips and predictions on how to win bets in major leagues. And if you don't even know how to bet, they'll teach you how to bet again. Especially people like me that have small money. I will not pay some money and join the VIP. I will not win bigger. It's Kiwi bets, babe. I will not cheat on you now. Yes.
Anyway, babe, I'm working on an experiment. I want to send to Oxford University.
Aww.
And I'm looking for a human being to test it on.
Why you not test them on your tech, bro? Mr. James.
Emi o se o.
So your papa here Yoruba, you gonna do what's up, bro? Now go punish you.
Babe, if they approve it, it's $1 million.
$1 million. Lord of Jesus. I will do. Hey, Mr. James, come and plug me. You know I love you, my support system. I love you. Oloribu.
What be this?
Yes. Oh my Jesus. When they work, if you like to go on polish Mr. James, when they work, babe, what do you do to me?
Babe, the experiment is for bullfighting. We want to win the bull.
Who be we? What is people fighting?
Are you playing? What type of playing?
Now what do I do with this? I know they do. I'm breaking up with you. Bye.
Babe, you'll be fine, Joe.
I think we should increase the speed.
If you increase any speed.
Obirin. What be this? Jesus.
Damn. This bitch is crazy.